Hey guys, King Hero here. Today I'm doing something really special. So I recently picked up this chaotic starter deck display case. So it's got 10 starter decks from the original Dawn of Perim set. And we're gonna open them all. So obviously all the starter decks are gonna be the same. I mean, there's the Overroller and Underroller set. So I will just briefly go through, go through the cards in each deck, and then for one, and then just go to the rare cards. But wow, just look at that. That looks, that looks so cool. Wow. I mean, I really want to keep it sealed, but I also really want to get that Maxxor card or Chaor. Yeah. So anyway. Let's get into it. Start off with one of each. For those of you who don't know the statistics, in a normal pack, there's a 1 in 24 chance of getting an ultra rare, but in the starter decks, it's a 1 in 5. So you get a much better chance of getting an ultra rare card. But there's only like a certain amount or a variety of ultra rares that you can get. Like you can't get certain ultra rares that are in the packs in here. But you can also get some starter deck exclusive ultra rares, like Lord Von Blood or like Heptad or whatever. So, wow. These are just so cool. Wow. This feels just like opening a piece of my childhood. I remember getting one of each of these as a kid and opening them up. I don't remember what the cards I got inside were, you know, besides the standard deck cards, but, you know, oh, it's just so nostalgic. Wow. All right. Here we got the instruction booklet. I'm gonna have a lot of these playmats, and then the deck. Okay, I'm trying to be so careful. I really want these cards to be in mint condition. Okay, so let's see, how does this work? Okay, so there's a few on the back here, separated by, oh, okay. So that's our ultra rare or super rare or whatever. And yeah, okay, so the game cards separate those. So here's what we have in the overall deck: Arias, Relum, Drafto, Arena, Simeon, and Vidaf. Then like standard attacks, not that interesting. Cardiac Falls, those are the D mines. You know, some pretty good locations. These two are pretty good battle gear still. Magician's Lyre is okay. Then your standard Music. Not gonna go into those. So the super rare is gonna be on the back. So, oops. I'm sorry, I have a really janky setup on how I'm setting this up, so. Ooh, Song of Asperity. I don't have that. Hive Call, Staluk, and Yakis. It's the super rare. That's mid energy, so not great, but that's fine. Pretty happy. He's very cool. I don't have a mid energy. I have a mid energy one for him, so that's a step up. Alrighty, now we have the Underworld deck. Opening these is a little tricky, so I want to make it nice and pristine so I can keep the box because I am a hoarder. I keep any kind of collectible garbage that I like. Don't ask to see my room. It's a mess. look how cool Chaor is on this. You know, I like Maxxor and all, but Chaor is so much cooler. Like, oh, look at that. So cool. All right. And if I pull both ultra rares and the box is still, like, I still have a couple of decks left, I might just keep them sealed. Because, you know, I just want the ultra rares. And I'd love to have a sealed product. So we got the Underworld instruction manual, which I think honestly looks cooler. You got like Iron Pillar in the background instead of Castle Bodhran. Yeah. And the Underworld playmat. Don't care about those. Okay, so let's open these up. Oh, it's so scary trying to open these. Okay. Okay, so I think this is our, nope. Okay, this is the super rare. I put that there. Then we have, I think it's 4? No, 3. Save those for a second. So in this we have Hearing, Krek, Zar, Miquelon, Scythia, and Toxis. I love Hearing. I'm honestly gonna put all these aside, and I don't know if you've seen the like Pokemon or Yu-Gi-Oh cards where they like cut out the creature and they have like a big stack, so it makes like a 3D card. I want to make one of those with Hearing. Love him. Put a Plunge Pool, Maelstrom, out of the Maelstrom, Pure Valley, Storm Tunnels. Skeletal Steed is good, and Vile Driver is good. Is there not a Torwek? Okay, and then pretty standard. Scortus Disarming and Cannon of Casualty, always been used in so many Underworld decks. They're great. And we're never really replaced that well. Like, you could still use them in your Underworld decks now with all the new stuff. All right, got another Staluk, another Hive Call, Clasp, and Aqua Shield. That's pretty cool. I do have one, but you know, I will love one in a near mint. That is cool. Cool. So nothing so far yet, but now we can speed it up. We don't have to go through all the common cards. So we have this is our 1 Ultra or Super, and 4 from the back. Okay, I mean you probably saw that, but okay, let's see. Okay, Mount Pillar, got tons of those. Ario's cool. I do have him, but Staluk. Ooh, Stone Mail. So that is an ultra rare. That is honestly kind of a bummer. It's probably one of the worst ultra rares you could pull. Not too happy about that, but an ultra is an ultra. And I technically don't have one. I have one of the premium versions. The art is super cool though. Yeah, I do have the premium version, but not the regular. So that's kind of cool, I guess. Dang. So it's really limiting us down, because I really want a creature ultra rare. If I do not get one, I will be very unhappy, and this video might not live to see the light of day. Might delete it out of shame. So yeah, like Lord Von Boot would be cool, just so I could sell him and get my money back, at least. Because I have already a max energy Von Boot, so you know, if I just get to keep all the basically just keep all the rares and stuff for free, That would be cool. But I would really love to get... I have a Chaor, but it's not in good condition and it's low. I think it's minimum energy. Either that is mid energy. I think it's minimum though. So I'd love to get a better Chaor and I'd love a Maxxor. Okay, here's our super. And then, oops, our 3 rares. Okay, Power Pulse, got a lot of that. Ekud and Song of Geonova. You know, I definitely know I had a Song of Geonova. That Ekud has a lot of energy. That's cool. All right, and here is the super. Oh my god, Heptad. It's minimum energy, but wow, okay. We got one who I did not have. That is awesome. That is super awesome. Oh my god, he's so cool. The minimum energy really sucks, but I'm very happy. I wish these were ripple foil, which means like first to first printing, but this is like first or second print. I mean second or third print, so it's not that bad. Still worth a lot. And Heptad, very cool creature. A lot of lore in the show from being one of the creatures from the Spirit Lands, which was not talked about really, except for in the very last episode it was brought up and had a ton of plot with it just for the one episode. And then, you know, that was the end of the series because of 4 kids being stupid and suing. We could have had so much more content, and because people got greedy, it was ruined for all of us. And now we're finally getting it back, hopefully, in the next couple of years. But I'm really worried it's not going to be in its full state that it was, because we've had some interviews with the owner, creator, whatever, and he said it's looking like if the show will come back, but it's probably going to be 12-minute episodes, which I feel like just won't be able to be long enough to really catch enough story plot line. Like, to have good plot, you need time, you know? All these comments are gonna stack up really quick. All right. Here we go. Ooh, Zalik. That's cool. I don't know if I have one of him, honestly. I probably do, but very cool nonetheless. Skeletal Strike. Did I miss one? Drachnus, super rare. That, I actually really, no, what? This has 2 super rares. Sorry, you can't see it, but I got a Hailstorm. Drachnus. I actually really wanted a Drachnus, so that's really cool to get. Yeah, and then I got a Hailstorm. So 2 supers. That's really cool. I'm really happy about that. I wanted a Hailstorm for a deck I was making, actually. And Drachnus, I also might use. I think that's also max energy too. So that's really cool. Don't quote me on that though. Could be mid. It's definitely not minimum energy. That looks, especially for a support character, that looks pretty high. So I'm guessing it's max. But I will double check after I finish all this. Okay, you know, I opened up both ultras, but I really, you know, maybe there's a 3rd ultra in here. I don't know. I just gotta open them all. I just can't not do it. You know, what if there's that Maxxor just hanging out in the last pack there? You know, gotta find out. I'd also love like a Underworld City location that sells for a lot of money. I'd love to get that. I think it sells for like 100 or something on eBay. I'm sorry about the camera shaking. It's literally the jankiest setup. I have it just set up on this like video game box basically on a little tripod. Okay, so we got super, and 1, 2, 3. Yeah, Orb of Foresight, that's cool. Viper Lash, cool. Screeth, I think that's max energy. That's nice. And Interlude of Consequence. You know, really terrible card, but I don't have it. So happy to put that in the collection. Very cool. The art's cool. The art's always cool on the Magic. I love the Magic art. It's just really cool, like abstract art. Very cool. Alrighty. We're over halfway done. I really hope this Ultra or this Super isn't that good because it's got a nick there. So pray God it's not Maxxor. Hive Call, Donmar, and Armageddon. It's a cool attack, very classic for the show. I think it's Hotan who uses the attack to just totally wipe everyone out. It's really cool art. It's actually not that good though, but very classic. Glad it wasn't anything worth too much because of the nick on the back, which is unfortunately a common problem with Canada cards. They did not have the best quality control, whatever. So, you know, getting stuff is a little bit of a gamble because you could get a really good card but could have a scratch on it. And if you want to get them like the cards graded on the quality that they are, you know, you want them to be near mint because it really makes them worth a lot more. So that just that little nick can bring your card's value down quite a bit. Okay. Song of Stasis. It's a very interesting Magic. They never did anything really like it, I don't think, again. Liquidizer. Classic Battle Gear, not that good anymore. Actually, very bad. Over Foresight. And Nexus Fuse. Nexus Fuse is actually still pretty good. You can use it in a couple, like, Underworld decks or sometimes, like, Petting, depending on what you're running. So that's a cool super. Oop, that playmat got a little messed up. That's okay. I'm gonna have plenty of them. That. Another Donmar, Staluk, Hive Call. We've been getting a lot of these. And another Drachnus. Not that useful. I'll probably sell this one. It is lower energy. It's only 40. Let's see. Let's compare the disciplines. Lower. It's just all around worse, except for slightly more power, but you know, you're not gonna use it for anything. Yeah, the Strictness is a lot better, so I will probably sell this one. So if you want it, hit me up. You can strike a deal. Here we go, guys. Last box. Probably not gonna get another Ultra, I don't think. It's really not looking like it, but we could still get that Underworld City. I'd really like a good rare location. Underworld City would be cool. Underworld Coliseum would also be really cool. You know, of course, Maxxor would be awesome, but yeah, I don't have my hopes up. You know, Ario, Mount Pillar, who cares? Viper Lash, and Moment of Truth. interests. I got a lot of her, so I'm not that happy about it. But hey, not that bad. We got quite a few supers, 2 Dragonesses, Nexus Fuse. Yeah, pretty cool. That was very fun, super nostalgic going through all these old cards. Anyway, now I just gotta clean up all this mess. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hopefully I'll have this edited down to a nice watching length. So anyway, thank you for watching. We'll see if I have any more chaotic content in the future, probably. If you want more content like this, leave a like. If you want more music, just leave it in the comments. Just be like, hey, make another remix, because I could do it. I have one almost done, Castlevania remix, so close to being finished. Have the video edited, and just need to record one guitar line, and I can post that. So hopefully that's coming within a month, hopefully. I've been saying that for a long time though. I just need to stop procrastinating. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. Bye.